What a concept-based learning question is.
Is a question for evaluating critical thinking and conceptual understanding. In this question, students need to demonstrate their learning and use their knowledge gathered in the unit and related to the big concept, ensuring the attributes and meaning of the subject area concepts.
A clear example for a Cbl question is, with reference to one or two organizations that you have studied, discuss how marketing strategies may differ in two cultures that you are familiar with. What paper it is in and how many marks it is worth?
The concept-based learning question will be found in the paper 2 exam and it's worth 20 marks in total.
And how long they should spend on it in the exam?
You have 30 minutes approximately to answer the question.
Concepts that will be assessed may vary depending on the question. The big concepts that may appear are change, culture, ethics, globalization, innovation, and strategy. Taking into account the example question, the concepts that have to be included are strategy and culture, and to some extent, ethics and globalization.
It is important to take into account that culture means every organization that operates in a range of environments in which its role may be interpreted differently. These expectations affect planning, decision-making, and strategy implementation.
Strategy refers to the significant long-term planning decisions that an organization makes in order to meet the needs and the wants of their stakeholders. Strategy is about asking questions like what, why, when, how, where, and who.
What research students need to do? First of all, the students need to have very clear all the things they have learned throughout the unit so that they are able to relate it to the big concepts they're being asked about. Secondly, they must choose an organization that is worldwide known that allows them to answer the question. They need to research about these companies' strategies and aims. Regarding the question we chose as an example, any student must choose an organization such as McDonald's and their marketing strategies and all the diverse cultures in which they operate and the changes they made in all of these cultures.
How to answer the question? In order to answer the question, you have to follow a proper structure, which is called DIRC. It stands for D, define the concepts and the business. E, explain the situation and relate it to the concepts. R, relate to the case study. The first C for consequences, positives and negatives, and always give balance. And the other C for conclusion, which has to be a big one. While writing the Cbl, the student must give coherent ideas, which shows previous knowledge and demonstrate you have previous research and your answer is not just suppositions. How the question will be marked.
The question evaluates 5 criterions, each criterion of 4 marks maximum. Criterion A, knowledge and understanding of tools, techniques, and theories. Criterion B, application. Criterion C, reason arguments. Criterion D, structure. And criterion E, individual and societies. For achieving higher marks in criterion A, the candidate needs to demonstrate good knowledge and understanding of relevant tools, techniques, or theories. For achieving higher marks in criterion B, the candidate has to relate to the case study. The relevant business management tools, techniques, and theories are well applied to explain the situation and issue of the case study organization. Examples are appropriate and illustrative. For achieving 4 marks in criterion C, relevant, balanced arguments are well made, and these are well justified. For having 4 marks in criterion D, structure, all the structural elements are present and ideas are clearly organized. For having 4 marks in criterion E, individual societies, balanced considerations is given to relevant individual and group perspectives.